In this video, I'm going to show you how to set new autumn chat theme on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here at the top right hand corner tap at DMs icon and then just open up some conversation. And now in order to set a new chat theme in that conversation, all you have to do is just right there hit add recipient's name to open up these options, and right here at the very first position hit add this colored circle icon next to theme to open up chat theme selector, and right here you can hit add autumn to set autumn chat theme to that specific conversation. Now you can see how it looks like. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.